Lecture 4, Using Gamma's AI to Generate Content. Today, we're stepping into one of Gamma's most powerful features, its built-in AI assistant. Whether you are stuck on how to begin or simply want to save time, Gamma's AI can help you turn a basic idea into a structured document or presentation in seconds. And no, you don't need to be tech-savvy to use it. If you can write a sentence, you can use this feature. In this lecture, we will learn how to use Gamma's AI tools to brainstorm ideas, generate outlines, and create full sections of content. You will see how this feature works in real time and how you can guide it to match your goals and style. Objectives of this lecture. By the end of this lecture, you will be able to understand how Gamma's AI assists in content creation, use AI to generate a presentation or document from a short prompt, revise and fine-tune AI-generated content, apply AI suggestions effectively without losing your own voice or message. What is Gamma's AI feature? Gamma includes a built-in AI writing tool that helps you generate, structure, and rewrite content. When you start a new project, Gamma can use a single prompt like a sentence or a topic to create full slide decks or documents in seconds. The goal is not to replace your thinking, it's to give you a jump start when you are short on time or inspiration. How to use Gamma's AI, step by step. Let's walk through a basic example. You just will have to click on Create New from the dashboard. Click on this Generate. Here you can see you have a presentation option as decks, or you can create a doc or a web page or a social media post as well. For example, you just want to create a presentation or deck, you just will have to right click in here. So Gamma will ask, describe what you would like to make. You just will have to give it prompt, or you have these examples as well. But for a customized presentation, you just will have to give it a prompt. For example, a presentation about the benefits of a presentation about the benefits of daily exercise for students. And you can just click on this generate outline. And in few seconds, Gamma gives you a complete deck or document outline with titles, sections, and sample content filled in. Here you can see. After reviewing all that, you just will have to click in generate as 8 cards, and you can customize it as well. For example, you can add 10 cards, and the page style could be default, traditional, or tall, and the language as well. So for that, you can just click on this generate, or you can keep it to 8 cards as well. So by just click on this generate, it will take a little while to generate all these outlines into a presentation. So it is giving a prompt that AI generating, don't close the tab while generation is in progress. So you just will have to wait and see what it makes for you. So finally, your Gamma has finished generating. So you have all these slides, for example, the first one, the second one with all these AI images, and the third one as well, the points and the benefits as well. So this is how it generated within just a single prompt. You have this presentation, the beautiful one, and you can change the theme as well. For example, you just want to go with prism, and it will be changed accordingly. So you can change the style as per your needs and the audience that you have to present to this presentation. And you have blues, so you can use any of these, like there is no limit to that. So by just closing this, you have this presentation, and you can present that as well for a demo, and you have this beautiful presentation with just a single prompt. What makes it effective? Time saving. You don't have to start with a blank page. Clarity. Gamma automatically breaks a topic into logical sections. Customization. You can edit every section, rewrite anything, and rearrange blocks with ease. So for example, if you want this slide to be at the number second, you can just drag it and it will be in the second. So this is how simple and easy to use this Gamma interface and create a beautiful presentations and effective one as well. Let's say you want the AI to rewrite a paragraph in a more casual tone. Highlight the text. For example, I just want this text. You can just select this text and use this edit with AI, and you can say it should be more engaging. For example, suggest a more compelling framing, and you can just click on this text, or you can use any of these as well. So if you want to expand the text, so you can just click on that. So it gives you the option. So it is a suggested one, and you can just click on that. Here you can see the text has been increased to a specific length that you wanted it to be. So this is how you can use AI to extend or shorten the text. So if you want to shorten this text, you just will have to select the text as long as this text is, and you can just click on this edit with AI, and you can just use condense the text. Take the long text, make it more concise, and when you just want to shorten the text, you can just click on that. Please make this short and concise. So here you can see that long text has been shortened. So this is how you can use AI to rewrite your text according to your needs and requirement. Want to add a bullet list or conclusion section? You can ask AI to insert it for you by typing a simple command. So if you want these points to be in bullet form, you can do that as well by using this AI assistant. When to use AI and when not to. Great uses: brainstorming structure for a project, creating outlines when you are stuck, polishing rough drafts, rewriting content in a different tone or voice. Avoid using AI for entire academic assignments. You still need original thinking. Topics you have not researched or understood. Final drafts without reviewing. AI can give you a strong start, but your voice, judgment, and edits make the work your own.